Hello, this is Dr. Jane Block speaking. I have a serious complaint to file. Am I speaking to the mayor?
Dr. Box, this is the mayor. How can I help you?
Good morning, Mayor. I'd like to invite you to our neighborhood at 8 a.m.
I'm
Yes.
still in my pajamas. Seriously, what is the occasion? I'd be delighted.
Well, this is not a happy event, actually. I'd like you to come and see how the streets are blocked and I just can't get to my work on time.
I'm sure you have noticed we have taken measures to improve the rush hour situation.
Now listen, if the two garbage trucks weren't blocking the way in these rush hours, there wouldn't be any traffic jam, would it not?
If I understand you correctly, either I get up early or change the time